Will eating all of this that you're going to pay for really make me feel better, or am I just going to get enormous?
You'll pay for it, you just eat it and enjoy it. You look like you need a good feed.
But you're stuffing me. Is this to make me look and act like a zombie? She wouldn't let zombie do the computer course, and a few other things I've tried the family get in the way. They
Just shut up and eat zombie food.
Well, as long as I exercise I've a year in which to claim Cambridge Dieter of the Year, by then I'll be the heavy mob.
Just shut up, I could murder a cup of tea, it's on the house.
Which, the one which we keep paying for gods, I'm eternally grateful.
Which weighs Broadmoor, I've committed murder, and I'm not responsible for my actions.
Is it a liquid diet, or strange tea?
Just keep eating. Where's the bill? Should I get a few of my friends to come and see you?
It is okay, once I get this cartoon lark sorted I'll pay for mother, but no one else.
I think I got away with the murder this time, too long ago and no evidence.
So you told no one, not even church? Or are they hiding you for a big fat juicy check?
I'm not that desperate, and I know how to keep everyone quiet.
You sure you won't crack under the pressure?
Remember, I taught you everything you know.
A lot of people say that when you get good at something.
I thought it was best not to go to the cathedral, too many wise people there.
God, I've gone dumbstruck. WHO's entered the building. Well, you're putting me off my food, and SHE's paid for all of that, and you're making me leave it, but SHE's eating hers. Looks like SH.
Watch out for the wind, it's something to do with the way we are, or what we are, or WHO we're related to, my sister the gas woman.